Hello, this is Matt, and I am here to say thank you to Pistol Packin' Pilot Triple P. He made the most savage GAW call of all time. Back when he had 200 subs, he said, if I hit 500, I'm giving away a 10-ounce stacker. If I hit 1,000, I'm giving away a kilo. So we all thought that was funny, right? We made shout-out videos. That was my favorite video I ever made, was my shout-out for Triple P. And it was funny because it was Chevy Chase driving to Wally World and the family wanted to stop because he was crazy. That was Triple P. He's crazy. But it was an awesome time for me to produce a video. Plus then I did a reaction. It was just a great time in my YouTube experience. I never thought that I would actually win the kilo. So I am ecstatic. I am so thankful. So Triple P, I know you put it in the mail today. When it gets here, I'm going to unbox that beauty and we'll put it out there because I am extremely grateful. I'm excited to be a part of it, right? It was exciting last night to watch the wheel. So thank you again for the opportunity. I did get a shipment in the mail just now. I received $100 face value from eBay. Now, I've been watching this particular item. Again, $100 face value, 90% silver. It was at $2,200, so 22 times face. And I considered it. I wanted to wait till I had eBay bucks. The person dropped it to $2,100, so $2,125 after shipping. I bought it. And then guess what came today? My 5% eBay offer. So I think eBay plays with you. Once you make a big purchase, then they give you the offer. But I couldn't wait, and I think I did the right thing. I want to show you what this is. So these are albums, nice Dansko albums. This album's made for the Walking Liberty. And what the person's done is he put all BU Kennedys, all from 64, in the album. So I saw value in the album, and I can eventually fill this if I want, or I can just keep it BU Kennedy. The next two are for the barber coinage. So we go all the way back to 1892. Now these books are impressive because there's 4 sheets. So each of these holds 80 coins. So I have several barber half dollars that I will likely put in these books. Not enough to finish them, and I think where there are voids, I will keep the JFK 90% in there. But what a cool way to display. You know, not all of them are perfect. Some of them have a little bit of, discoloration, but just a unique way to present your coins. And then there is a second Liberty head or barber. So there's 3 total books. Same thing again. So there you go. There's another way to collect 90% coinage. So I'm thankful. Again, Triple P, you knocked it out of the park, right? I am extremely excited about that kilo of silver. That's insane. And I'm excited to look at it. These books were just icing on the cake. I wanted them to show up today. USPS just dropped them off. I had to do a video and give a shout out to Triple P. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.